Hello friends, let's start to learn how to do E2E automated UI testing for hybrid Ionic application with Android and iOS devices. I will create a new Ionic project for tutorial purpose. You can use your existing project for this. Let's choose the conference template with Angular. We can go to the package.json file and find the script object. Here, we can see the E2E script. If you will do testing for the browser, you can use this default script. But, we are going to execute the test case on real devices like Android and iOS, so, we will focus on this tutorial. Before that, I will going to show how to execute the browser automated testing using the existing test case here. Here, the application has launched in the browser and it have execute automation testing. Now, you can see the testing reports in the console panel. Okay, let's start to configure automated testing for native devices. Just go to the project terminal and install the Protractor node package. Protractor is an end-to-end testing framework for Angular application. Also, we need to install the TypeScript dependencies. Now, we need to create configuration files for the Protractor. Here, I will use my existing files. You can find the source code link in the video description. I will place the configuration files in the project E2E director. Here, CD3 is a Chrome drive executable file for start Appium server in local dependency. Just update your project package name in Protractor config ts and js file. Then, do the Android or iOS build for fetch Android app file and iOS project path in Protractor config files. In this tutorial, I will do the E2E testing for Android device. Then, we need to update E2E script in package.json, which should be pointing to the Protractor config file. Now, we must install the Start Appium server. We can do it in two ways. Through Appium npm dependency or Appium desktop tool. I will do with desktop tool. Just download and install it based on your system environment like Windows or Mac. If you want to video for npm Appium dependency, comment in this video, I will upload it. Let's get started to write a test case. Before that, we need element for the skip button and login form fields, so we can run the app in the browser and inspect the element. Here, we can use element tag, CSS class name, or ID. Now, I will assign an ID to the skip button. Then, we can find elements ID of username, password, and login button. OK, after collect the element ID or tag, we need to do the Android build. Here, I will do sample test case for tutorial and login page. Here, we can do 3 test cases for a skip button press, validate login form and enter a valid username, password test case. First, write the wait method while show the element. Get element finder for skip button which is added by us. Expect method will help to validate skip button label. Now, we execute that test case and start the Appium server. Make sure the device is connected with a system. Now, Android app will install in our device and launch automatically, then execute that test case automatically. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video for more videos.